Me, that's perfect. Yes. So now remember it says 9 times negative 7 times minus 2. Somebody say what you suggested, what answer you suggested? Negative 81. Please verify. I'm not too sure if I heard wrong, but it's negative 61 I heard, but he's saying it's negative 81. So what you got for f of negative 81? What you got for which one? F of negative 7? So we're getting different answers. So all you simply do is say 9 times negative 7 minus 2, negative 65. So please be careful. All right, here it is, negative 65. That's what I get. Okay, so please be careful. And not only that, this is very careful, important for when you're doing calculations, even in the real world, with your calculators. Okay, so please pay attention to that. And what is 9 times negative 65 subtract 2? Okay, so it's good that you recognize your mistake. I get in minus 587 for the final answer. That's it? Right, so that's what you do for the first question, part A. Part B says to find f g of x. So we need to find what is f g of x. All right, so when you start on the right, what you see in there is g of x. Right, so are we recording? Yes, we are. So therefore now we want to find fg of x. You want to find fg of x. The first thing you are seeing on your right is g of x. So you write down g of x. And the expression for g of x, you put it in a bracket. Okay. Very important, brackets. When you are composing function, brackets is essential. So that's what we saw. G of x, when we started on the right, bear in mind, is fg of x we want to find. And we find g of x, we start on the right, moving towards the left. When we continue towards the left, now we're seeing f. F we're seeing. So you go and you grab f. When you write it now, f, take out the x's and use brackets. Brackets, replace the x's with brackets, because this is what you're going to substitute. G, you're going to substitute into f. All where you see a bracket, okay? Putting a function inside of a function, okay? This is correct, but you don't usually see the left side written that way. So you can just simplify that and put a G. And if you notice, isn't it looking like what you want to find in the process? FG. FG. You have to clear brackets. That step you have to clear brackets. 9 times 11 is 99. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. And then you have a subtract 2. So in your final answer, you simplify. I have a 117 course doing, and I introducing them to that. And you can call this method the 4-step method. First, you find the domain function. You all are familiar with that. The domain function is on the right. Domain function is always on the right. Then we want the range function. Range function in brackets. When you write down the range function, you have to write change all x to brackets. The range function is on the left. Okay, the range function is on the left. We can just reduce that by 1 notch. So I'm not too sure why someone is saying when they look at the quiz, it's saying Greek. Then the next step is to clear brackets. Clear by multiplying. We all know how to clear brackets. So we call it the first step process. And the final step is to simplify. Okay. Final step is to simplify. Minus 27 minus 2 is minus 29. Okay. First step process. Domain function, range function, clear brackets, and simplify.